Good morning, everyone. If you guys watch my last video, you'll see that I was making this pick right here, and it was in pretty rough condition. Last night I just couldn't stand it, so I spent about half the night in the barn last night. And it's a pretty straight pick. I mean, it's pretty straight. And the wood is just fabulous, man. I love that greeny effect on there. It's just awesome, man. It kind of looks like you just broke it off the branch, and just stuck it on the piece of blade there. You see the tooth from the blade that I used to make this pick. It's just awesome. And so I thought, I would try to pick a lock with it and do some adjustments on it, hoping that the mating surface here that actually goes on the pins is going to work out well for us. So let me see. This is a Ace laminated lock. If some of y'all are interested, there's the bidding. It's not really bad at all. But we all know that these Ace laminated locks have got lots of spools and lots of serrations in them most of the time. And so let's see how this brand new, still a virgin pick performs. Wow. It picks really, really sweet. I mean, really sweet. Really nice. I am surprised myself by how nice this thing turned out. These cameras on these phones really suck, I gotta say. But there it is, man. Most awesome pick. Most awesome. Has anybody guessed what type of blade I used? Some of you will say, well, that's a hacksaw blade. Nope, it's not a hacksaw blade. And let's mic it out. Let's see what we got here. We have, it's a 23 thousandths thick. Can you all read that? 23 thousandths thick. And the actual picking depth on this particular pick is it's saying 160, which is pretty deep. Most of my picks run about 125, 130. But I gotta say, man, I built this pick just like that. A nice deep hook for people to enjoy. Maybe I'll pick some really good locks with this thing. Who knows? And I got a comment on my last video from Devron, I think his name was. Wanted to see the finished product. Well, there it is, my brother. It's as finished as it's going to get with me. Let's see if we can zoom in. Oh wow, let's see if this thing works or not. There it is. That's awesome. I love wood. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, man.